Learning programming sounds exciting until it isn't. Most people start strong. They binge tutorials, copy code, maybe build a mini project or two, and then stop. Motivation runs out, life gets busy, and they wonder, why can't I stay consistent? As someone who's still a student striving to become a developer, I've asked myself the same thing until I read Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book changed how I approach coding, not by teaching me syntax or frameworks, but by helping me build a system that actually works. Here's how 4 powerful lessons from Atomic Habits can transform the way you learn programming. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This line from Atomic Habits explains why learning to code often fails. Most people set goals. I want to learn Python or I want to build an app, but they don't build the system to support it. And without a system, nothing sticks. One of the book's biggest ideas is this: focus on identity, not outcomes. The goal isn't to finish a course. The goal is to become a programmer, a person who codes consistently. Every time you sit down and write code, even for 10 minutes, you're reinforcing that identity. Ask yourself, what would a real programmer do today? Would they learn a new concept, push a commit, review yesterday's code? It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up like the person you want to become. Habits need triggers. So the book says, make it obvious. That means leaving your code editor open, placing sticky notes on your desk, or setting up reminders that say, code today. You can even design your environment. Have your IDE open by default. Pin your learning site to your browser. If you see it, you'll do it. The easier it is to remember, the easier it is to start. Here's where most learners go wrong. They think consistency means intensity. So they study 5 hours one day, then stop for a week. The better habit is this: make it easy. Start with just 2 to 5 minutes a day, review a concept, write a single function, even refactor one piece of code. Use habit stacking. After I eat breakfast, I'll review a flashcard or a code snippet. The goal is momentum, not perfection. To keep a habit, you have to enjoy it, or at least enjoy finishing it. That's why the book says, make it satisfying. Track your progress, celebrate the small wins, share your code publicly, watch your GitHub streak grow. Use reward systems, even something as simple as crossing off a to-do list or getting praise in a community. If your brain gets a reward, your habit sticks. Now here's a trap to avoid: the perfectionist mindset. You'll miss a day, life will interrupt you, and that's fine. James Clear puts it this way: Missing once is a mistake. Missing twice is the start of a new habit. If you can't do your full session, do 2 minutes. Read code, rename variables, do anything. Just don't stop completely. So here's your system for learning to code, built on atomic habits. 1. Make it obvious. Set cues like editor open or calendar reminders. 2. Make it attractive. Add music, community, maybe rewards. 3. Make it easy. Start small, 2 to 10 minutes max. 4. Make it satisfying. Track your wins. Celebrate progress. If you do this every single day, even just a little, you'll be shocked at how far you come in a few months. Most people think learning to code is about intelligence or talent. It's not. It's about consistency. And consistency is a result of good habits. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Start small, stay consistent, and build the identity of a real programmer. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments down below.